This is the scariest thing. You've set out on a challenging mountain climb, but now you find yourself lost, wounded, or trapped. The good news is that assistance is on its way to you. The bad news is that it will take some time to arrive, and in the meantime, you have no more food. At this point, a buzzing drone flies in for a landing. You can eat the wings and drink the water, or take the medicine it's carrying to hold you over until help arrives. In concept, that could happen. The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, EPFL, has created a prototype edible drone. The robot that can be eaten is a component of a larger initiative known as RoboFood. RoboFood aims to investigate robots that can be eaten by humans and animals, as well as foods with robotic characteristics. With the title Towards Edible Drones for Rescue Missions, Design and Flight of Nutritional Wings, the group released their research results online. The study is working to solve the issue of getting commercial drones to carry a substantial enough payload to aid those in need during emergencies. The design incorporates a few elements reminiscent of actual aircraft, but the 300-calorie fixed wing is actually made out of rice cakes and gelatin. According to an interview with Bokeon Kwak, the drone tastes like a crunchy Rice Crisp cookie with a little touch of raw gelatin, as Kwak described it to IEEE Spectrum. It would probably taste great if you were hungry and stranded. The researchers used a laser cutter to shape and thin out round rice cakes, and then they glued the cakes together using gelatin to form a sturdy wing structure. This rice is robust without being heavy, and it still manages to be reasonably nourishing. Even though the drone would be a one-way street, its semi-edible composition would ensure that it would leave behind minimal waste. That's it for today, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and check our website at www.techwiki.co. Thanks for watching.